Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at this function of three variables, and we're going to find the level surface for this function for the value of c equals 2. We're going to describe the surface, then use technology to visualize the surface. Okay, so let's begin by setting g of x comma y comma z equal to c. So that's x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals 2. Next, I'm going to shuffle about all the terms to get all the x's, y's, and z's together. So I have x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y. And actually, I'll go ahead and leave some gaps so I can complete the squares in here. Plus z squared minus 6z equals 2. So in order to complete the square, we're going to have to add 1, then subtract 1 here. Here we're going to add 2, add 4, then subtract 4 here. If you haven't completed the square, please pause the video and Google how to complete the square. Otherwise, what I'm doing is I'm taking the linear term, dividing it by 2, and then squaring that. In this case, we get 4. So what would we get here? Negative 6 divided by 2 squared, that's negative 3 squared, that's 9. So I'm going to add 9, then subtract 9. And why would I do this? Well, now I can rewrite the x terms as x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 2, y plus 2 quantity squared. And finally, I have z minus 3 quantity squared. And then, of course, we still have this minus 1 to take care of here, this minus 4. And let me highlight these, actually. So this became this one became this, and these terms became this term. So, of course, I still want to have minus 1, minus 4, minus 9. And all of this is equal to 2. So this is x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared plus z minus 3 squared equals 2. And then we're going to add 14 to that since this is all negative 14. So we need to add 14 to both sides. And this is x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared plus z minus 3 squared equals 16. This is a sphere. This is the equation of a sphere with a center at 1, negative 2, 3, and radius is equal to 4. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up GeoGebra Graphing Calculator. And I'm going to make just a little more space here. There we are. So there's the GeoGebra Graphing Calculator and more space. And let's go ahead and graph this. And I'll start by graphing what we ended up with here. Actually, let's graph them both. I'll start by graphing this one, and you'll see they're the same. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals 2. There it is. There's that sphere. And let me quickly type in the center of our sphere of 1, comma, negative 2, comma 3. And it certainly looks like that is the center of our sphere, no matter which way we look at it. And if you want to verify that the resulting equation is correct, let's graph it. X minus 1 quantity squared plus y plus 2 quantity squared plus z minus 3 quantity squared equals 16. And look at that, they are identical and overlapping. So there it is. There is our sphere of radius 4, which is centered at 1, 2, negative 3. Excuse me, I meant to say 1, negative 2, 3. The center of the sphere is at 1, negative 2, 3. Okay, hopefully you found this useful. Please keep calm and math on.